Lee Hee-ho, the widow of former South Korean President and Nobel Laureate Kim Dae-jung, has passed after battling with cancer. She was 96 years old. Not only did the women's rights activist play a crucial role in devising policies for women and the marginalized for this nation, but also dedicated all her efforts to enhance relations between the two Koreas. Our Kim Hyo-sun profiles the life of Lee Hee-ho, whom the former pro-democracy activist Kim Dae-jung called his lifelong comrade.
Lee Hee-ho, the wife of former late President Kim Dae-jung, died Monday evening at the age of 96. She had been hospitalized lately while battling liver cancer. During her life, Lee stood at the forefront of safeguarding women's rights in South Korea as the country's first-generation female activist. She was also a supportive companion and advisor to former President Kim, well known for his so-called sunshine policy of engagement with North Korea. She stood beside him while he ran for office for 4 times and supported him throughout his pro-democracy movement. Even on the day of her husband's death, Lee spoke of democracy.
행동의 양심으로 살아가기를 간절히 원합니다. 이것이 남편의 유지입니다.
Lee also exerted efforts to improve inter-Korean relations, serving as the head of the Kim Dae-jung Peace Center, which was founded by her husband to promote inter-Korean reconciliation and world peace. In 2000, she accompanied her husband to Pyongyang for the first historic summit between the two Koreas and served as special envoy to the North.
다음 세대 분단의 아픔을 물려주어서는 안 된다는 것을 생각했습니다.
President Moon Jae-in mourned Lee's death, referring to her as a great person. He posted Twitter and Facebook messages on Monday, immediately after Lee's passing. While Lee was in critical condition, she was with her family until the moment of her death.
Her family gathered to sing hymns. She also sang along with them while they said, "Thank you, we respect you, and we love you."
A 5-day public funeral will be organized for Lee, and she will be buried at Seoul National Cemetery, where her husband was laid to rest a decade ago. Kim Hyo-sun, Arirang News.